Kung sagutin o hindi. Kasi yung pagkakaalis mo, nagulat kami lahat yung 2010.
Okay.
Was it because of a case you filed na against somebody sa network?
Yeah. It was because of that, yeah.
It was the sexual molestation?
Yeah, harassment. Yeah. Sexual harassment.
Hindi pala umabot sa ano.
Yeah.
Pero, ang nangyari, they didn't take your side.
Parang ganun na ngayon lumalabas. Yeah.
So, may sama ng loob?
Nung una, yeah, siyempre di ko maiiwasang kumbaga, I was a homegrown talent, but kumbaga, I had to move on. Kumbaga, wala akong choice. Kumbaga, I needed to survive at that time. So, wala akong time for grudges or grievances.
Pero bakit ikaw na naargabyado? Bakit hindi ikaw ang napanikan?
Paano ba? How will I answer that? I don't know, maybe they don't want to meddle